Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to episode 7 of Dragon Ball Z Budokai Tenkaichi 3, and today we're going to be doing Gohan Explodes.
So here I go.
And some other stuff, hopefully. Maybe the Majin Saga.
And has them attack the Z Fighters to draw out Gohan's hidden powers. Gohan's anger finally reaches its limits after seeing the Z Fighters beaten one after another.
You're not gonna get away with this any longer!
Finally, your true form! Now things are starting to get interesting.
Sorry, the subtitles are getting a little blocked out. I didn't change my setup before this recording, and I'm too lazy to do it now. Get a wreck, Cell Jr.
Gohan? No way.
Love this move. Dead. I love this. This is probably my favorite fighter in the game, besides Ultimate Gohan and Gogeta. Not Super Saiyan 4, so no, keep scrub like that. This fight's too easy, man.
What happened to it? What Goku was talking about?
Little fluffy. I gotta fight Perfect Cell.
You mean that tiny brain of yours lets you think that you can beat me?
I don't think I can. I know I can.
And that's some determination.
Impressive. Now it's my turn. Witness the awesome power of perfection.
So, Cell's finally going to fight in full power.
Wait, what? How did you do that?
It's like the whole earth is shaking. What amazing power! So?
Supposed to do it one-handed. You died. Whatever. I'll just have to combo him to death. He's too fast. Sonic. Yay! Even though this isn't how it's supposed to happen, and Goku's not dead yet.
You've done it. You've defeated me. But this fight is another matter. How would you like a little Kamehameha?
Sauce.
If you dodge it, the Earth will be destroyed. Take it all, punk. It's over.
Beam struggles.
Runt! He repelled Cell's enormous Kamehameha with an even bigger one. Gohan, what are you doing? Finish him off! Finish him off!
I got a Dragon Ball.
Finish him already?
I got a Dragon Ball, guys.
This is getting dull. You're through now.
Darn it! He done it!
Alright, so, yeah. That was a fight. We got a 1-star ball. Now we gotta do another fight. Let's see if we can even do it even faster, huh? The final battle.
Goku uses instant transmission to take the self-destructing Cell to King Kai's planet. However,
Meme
Cell
Cell.
was able to regenerate and was able to power up even more. Gohan is the only hope for Earth. Now, Gohan and Cell's final deciding battle will begin.
Well, Cell cheated.
Now I can finish you off like I should have done in the first place. I'm going to pay you back for what you did to my dad.
Muscles.
We'll see about that. I doubt you'll be as lucky this time.
R3. He's powered up even more than we expected.
Prepare for your demise! I'm going to destroy this whole pathetic planet!
But it's not pathetic to live on it.
Dad, I'm sorry. I know you were counting on me to protect the Earth, but I don't think I can do it.
Are there any more centuries?
We've used them all up.
Great job, Krillin. You screwed up.
What's it gonna be?
Here you go, Juan. Come on, I know you have some fight left in you.
Fight left in you?
Do what you want. There's no point in fighting anymore. I can't stop you.
Super Saiyan 2.
You down, Dad. I just
Let you
wasn't
down.
strong enough to beat him.
What a disappointing end this has turned out to be. Now, the finish it.
Hey, don't give up, Gohan.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you up. I'm gonna get copyright. I'm gonna get rickrolled again. That's alright. still think Barrage Death Beam's better. What times are gonna hit me with that?
So terrified you're talking to yourself, huh?
It's all right. You can win. Believe in your own power. Come on.
Just believe! You gotta believe!
All right, Dad. I'll do everything that I can.
Let's make America deaf again.
Do your best. If you give up now, our deaths will be in vain. I'm so sorry.
Combos.
Because I got so carried away, I got killed.
Combos. More combos. Do more combos. Do more combos. Let's hit him with one before we end it off. Or he dodges it. And I did not dodge that. Our kill didn't do anything. He dodged it again! Our Gohan's going to win. Even if he doesn't like it or not. That made no sense to what I just said. Okay. I thought I was going to lose there. That would have been bad. Now it's perfect. Solar Kamehameha versus Father-Son Kamehameha.
Take this!
You're not using your full power. You have to let it
Come on. No! I win.
You finally did it, Gohan.
Yeah, I did. Well, yeah, guys, that has been it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.